Renovating an historic venue is both an honor and a challenge, and it's doubly so when that renovation involves a landmark like the Lerner Theatre in downtown Elkhart. In this segment, we're offering a look at the original features and condition of the theater, a walkthrough of some of the demolition required, and the steps being taken to improve, add safety and functionality to the historic Lerner Theatre. As you can see, we're in the lowest level of the building now, and where most of the mechanical and the heart systems are for this building. You can see behind me the new ductwork that's going in with the supply and return airs, and just get a feel for the size of this. Most people will never be down in this part of the building because it's not really the place where the public gets invited, but as you go around today, you'll see a lot of the construction of things that have to be in a building that most people, they get the benefit of, but they don't necessarily see how it's done. Many design features remain beautiful up to this point in time. Others had demonstration work done to show what could be. Right now I'm standing on scaffolding that took about 2 weeks to build in order to reach to the top of the ceiling, and you can see some of the ornate work on this plasterwork that's all going to be touched up and repainted to the new scheme. This took about 2 weeks to build the scaffolding just so that all the workers are safe and they can set their ladders on top here and reach just the final parts in order to do the detail work, and also to change out all the lights that were in here. For those that grew up in Elkhart, you're seeing something up close that you saw from a good 60 to 70 feet away as you were watching the movies. But nothing could be done short of replacement or demolition for many aspects. Since the Lerner had to be expanded on the north side, the former Sorg building, among others, were demolished. At the corner of Franklin and Main, a new structure is being built to house backstage activities. Behind me you'll see the 3-story structure of the new addition, and mostly just the steel, what we call red steel, happens to be gray, but it is the actual size of the building, and you'll see the new facades eventually get applied to this that'll match the other building. Inside, brand new mechanicals, electrical work, and floor is being installed, as well as a reconstructed orchestra pit is underway. We're in a room right now that used to be an office that we're actually making into a new toilet facility, and by the looks of it you can tell it's really for a men's room. But you see that the plumbing's been run, all the drain piping is in what we would call a chase, and we'll be adding surfaces over this after the inspections are done, that it will be a hard surface and it'll look like the toilet rooms that you're used to seeing. Thank you for joining us. Majority Builders will be providing updates on renovating the historic Lerner Theatre in the future.